What's up guys, I'm Jason of DEFYfitness, personal trainer, previous fitness model competitor, and self-proclaimed gym junkie. And if you've seen my previous videos, I'm a proud owner of a set of adjustable dumbbells, the Nuobell 580s. Dumbbells that adjust from 5 pounds to 80 pounds in 5-pound increments with just a flick of the wrist. So I'm super excited today because the good people at Fitmaster, an authorized Canadian distributor of the Nuobells, have sent me this pair of limited edition all black Nuobell 580s. Also, if you've seen my previous videos, I'm all about the all black motif, even wearing this outfit by Live Fit Apparel in all black. So let's open this box and see what we have. All right, so we have Nuobell instructions here. So it kind of tells us on one side kind of what to do and how to put it together. Oh wow, everything's packed nice and tight. Here's the cradle. Oh, that's nice and all black. Ooh, I love the finish of the cradle there. Here's a set of the plates. So all packed really nicely in a bag. And check that out. Look at that handle. It is super nice. Wow, I'm actually really impressed by how sleek it looks. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this dumbbell together. I'll put both of them side by side and we'll take a look. Okay, so these are really, really beautiful. Like, look at the black knurled handle. Feels really good in the hands. The plates have a really nice texture to it, like a matte finish. And if you look at the stand, like the cradle looks super nice as well. Just whole matching, really, black motif. Looks really, really slick all put together. And you know what? What I'm gonna do is, I actually have a pair of the original color Nuobell 580s. I'm gonna actually put them side by side. You can take a quick look. So I must say that the differences are very subtle, but it's really about personal preference. So both feel pretty much the exact same in the handles. I must say that the original handles, actually the knurling feels a little bit more aggressive, and that's probably just because there is a layer or coat of paint on the black handles. But either way, the knurling feels pretty similar. Not too aggressive, not too passive, which is good. You can see that the plate finish is basically the same. There is a difference with the cradle color. You can see that the silver handle matches with a silver in the cradle, and the all black has the all black motif with black handle, black cradle. So it's really about personal preference. Both, in my opinion, are actually quite beautiful, so it's up to you. All right, I gotta talk about the great company that I got these from. Fitmaster, a licensed distributor of Nuobells. And the beauty with purchasing with Fitmaster is they offer a 2-year full warranty replacement, including damages from shipping, accidental drops, and even wear and tear. And you can even purchase a 5-year extended warranty for $100. The best part is if you have to use the warranty, Fitmaster carries the replacement parts, which can be shipped to you just within a few days, so you're not out on a set of dumbbells for weeks. So you gotta check out Fitmaster's website, as they have 5 different colors available. They have the original black with a silver handle, which I showed you. They have the all black, they have army green, red, and even a light smoke color. They'll also be adding some exclusive colors soon, so subscribe and I'll keep you in the loop. Check out the description below on how you can get a discount through me on the Fitmaster website. I'm Jason of DEFYfitness. I hope you like this unboxing, and I'll see you on the next one.